ఆపరేషన్ సింధూర్ను వివరించారు త్రివిధ దళాలు. పాక్ పౌరులు, ఆర్మీ లక్ష్యంగా భారత దాడి జరగలేదని, 9 ఉగ్రవాద స్థావరాలను విజయవంతంగా నేలమట్టం చేశామన్నారు. 100కు పైగా ఉగ్రవాదులు అంతమయ్యారని తెలిపారు. పాక్ చేసే కవ్వింపు చర్యలను భారత్ చూస్తూ ఊరుకోదని, తగిన బుద్ధి చెబుతుందన్నారు. తూటాకు తూటానే సమాధానమిస్తుందని పాక్కు గట్టి సమాధానమిచ్చారు. దాడిలో మన పైలట్లు సురక్షితంగా ఉన్నారని, భారత్లోకి చొరబడేందుకు ప్రయత్నించిన పాక్ ఫైటర్ జెట్స్ ను కూల్చేశామన్నారు.
तो आपने देखा कि ये जो एक्टिविटीज चल रही हैं 3-4 दिन से, ये कोई वॉर से कम नहीं है। नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टांसेस में एक दूसरे देश की एयरफोर्सेस हवा में नहीं उड़ती हैं और एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्ट्राइक्स नहीं करती हैं। हर रात इंट्रूजन्स नहीं होते हैं। लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल पर सीज फायर वायोलेशंस, आपके एक साथी ने सवाल पूछा था शुरू में, एक सीज फायर अंडरस्टैंडिंग था, वो भी जा चुका है। उस सीज फायर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के जाते जो फायरिंग हो रही है लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल में, उसमें घुसपैठ की कोशिश हो रही है। आमतौर पर ये घुसपैठ लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल में टेररिस्ट करते हैं, लेकिन हमें इंफॉर्मेशन है कि हो सकता है ये पाकिस्तान आर्मी की टोलियां भी हों जो हमारे पोस्ट के ऊपर खामी पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रही हैं। तो ये सारी एक्टिविटीज तो वॉर में शामिल हैं। तो ये कहना मुश्किल है कि आगे क्या होगा, वो स्पेक्यूलेटिव जोन में आ जाता है और मैं स्पेक्यूलेट नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। हर एक सिचुएशन अलग होती है और उससे एक तरीके से डील किया जाता है।
We have quantitative and qualitative edge to deliver a massive blow to our adversary, and we completely dominate in the maritime front. Indian Navy's action is part of the escalation ladder mechanism which we have worked out amongst 3 services. This time, if Pakistan dare take any action, and Pakistan knows it, what we are going to do. That's all.
Okay, आपके सवाल का जवाब मैं पहले दे चुका हूं, इसलिए मैं बस उस तक ही सीमित रखूंगा और इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि आने वाले दिनों में आपको खुद ही पता चल जाएगा और ऐसी बातें छुपी नहीं रहती हैं, तो पता चल जाएगा. So at this time we'll just let it be.
What I was saying, that I never mentioned of any of the weapons, the caliber that we used. All right, so we'll leave it at that. Those are matters of operational details which I would not like to go into. But suffice to say that whatever methods and whatever means we have chosen, it had the desired effects on the enemy targets. How many casualties? How many injuries? Well, to start with, our aim was not to inflict casualties, but in case there have been, it is for them to count. Our job is to hit the target, not to count the body bags. I have already detailed the targets. Now, whether it is X numbers or Y numbers that is immaterial. And what damage have we inflicted, you have seen. What are the casualties on the other side? As I said, that is for them to count. As far as we are concerned, from the air defense side, if they had a choice, they would have definitely come in. They are fighters, there are more numbers of UCAVs. It is not that they did not intend to come in. It is only that our robust AD posture prevented them from coming in. So that must be known, and that must be realized by all the audience here.
To speak about cessation of hostilities, what pauses mean during such conflicts is known to everybody. I don't want to go into the pros and cons of how preparation for war is made. That is a process in itself. But I think my senior colleague here, the DG Air Operations, spoke, or he alluded at least, to what this operation was precisely and specifically meant for. And I think that's something that we achieved, right at the outset. Had we had the option not to go further, we probably wouldn't have. But we've been compelled to be in this situation. And as you've seen, the armed forces of India, and you've got the three Director Generals sitting here, we are always prepared to face any eventuality. And like I said, that's for the sovereignty, the territorial integrity, and the safety of our citizens. So whatever has to be done will be done. I am not so concerned about what Pakistan will do in this time. I am only concerned about what we will do. We have a roadmap and a plan, and we will follow it diligently, and we will follow it to the T. That's the contention that I want to make here today.
मैं एक सवाल इसका मैं जवाब देना चाहता हूँ, एक मिनट। सो जो मिलिट्री होता, our main job is to prevent war and maintain peace and stability. So it is not that our response is a graded response. That means अगर किसी ने किया तो उसको graded उसमें किया, जैसे terrorist action हुआ तो what we did is a terrorist action and we destroyed all the terrorist camps. उसके बाद आपने देखा कि उनने थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया तो हमारे एयरफोर्स एंड आर्मी ने क्या किया, तो मिलिट्री टारगेट्स हैं उनके ऊपर थोड़ा। So our aim is to maintain peace and tell our adversary that you do this and the response will be bloody.
ఆపరేషన్ సింధూరును వివరించారు త్రివిధ దళాలు. పాక్ పౌరులు, ఆర్మీ లక్ష్యంగానే భారత దాడి జరగలేదని, 9 ఉగ్రవాద స్థావరాలను విజయవంతంగా నేలమట్టం చేశామన్నారు. 100కు పైగా ఉగ్రవాదులు అంతమయ్యారని తెలిపారు. పాక్ చేసే కవ్వింపు చర్యలను భారత్ చూస్తూ ఊరుకోదని, తగిన విధంగా బుద్ధి చెప్తుందన్నారు. తూటాకు తూటానే సమాధానమిస్తుందని పాక్కు గట్టి సమాధానమిచ్చారు. దాడిలో మన పైలట్లు సురక్షితంగానే ఉన్నారని, భారత్లోకి చొరబడేందుకు ప్రయత్నించిన పాక్ ఫైటర్ జెట్స్ ను కూల్చేశామన్నారు.